FreeMove Technology. The robot vacuum will prevent probability of getting stuck in advance, such as bottom of sofa, bed, carpet, threshold, wiring area, etc., which enables almost fully automatic cleaning without interruption, no need of manual intervention. Slim, powerful fashion. Slim design, easily slides under furniture, 2,200 pascals of suction power eliminates dust and bebries, while being gentle with tiles, hardwood floors and carpets. Toughened glass panel brings a sense of fashion to your home. Voice and app controls. The robot works with Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. Download LEFANT Life app, available on iOS and Android 4.0 or above. Access to direction control, schedule cleaning, choose the cleaning modes, real-time monitor, adjust the suction power, etc. Support OTA firmware. Durable runtime. The vacuum has built-in 2600 mAh lithium battery, cleaning up to 110 to 120 minutes on a single charge. When battery is low, it will automatically back to charging dock on ready for next cleaning. All new LCD remote control also supports the schedule cleaning. What you get. M520 Robot Vacuum, LCD remote control, 2 AAA batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, 2 sets of high-performance filters, 2 filter sponge, 4 side brushes, user manual and our worry-free 18-month. Top reviews from the United States. Huge helper around the house. Prior to this LEFANT I had 2 Roombas and eventually had to replace batteries and eventually both of the Roombas would randomly stop. After replacing the batteries with OEM batteries and still having the same problem, I did some research and found that LEFANT is superior for the price. I decided to give it a try. Connecting to Wi-Fi, being able to monitor the battery, and the route that the vacuum takes on my Android device is very nice. I can kick off a cleaning cycle while I am away. For the most part it sweeps the whole floor, tile and short carpet, without issue. There have been a few times it has gotten stuck and eventually decided to stop, but I have since blocked those trouble spots and sweeping without monitoring has been much better. After about 15 runs it seems to have mapped the house pretty well. There are random times where it seems to get confused on the tile floor and abruptly stop and turn, not sure if it thinks it sees something or if it is just part of the algorithm of how it maps out the floor. I make sure to clean the brushes and filters every time it runs and make sure it is clean without any hair or anything possibly obstructing the view and brushes.